is here, Skype. Remember, Skype is one of the most important thing because all of your interview will be on. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So guys, today we're going to talk about cruise ship job, but how to apply online direct. Yes guys, this might have happened with you also in past, that agency, they took your resume and then they said, okay, we will come back to you. They never come back, because the same thing happened with me. I applied like 16-17 times through the agencies, and this is what I got. Please, we don't have opening right now, and once we will have an opening, we will get back to you. They never came back to me. Then somebody told me to go through the agents, pay them 2-3 lakh, or you can say $2,000-$3,000, and they will make sure that you will go, join the cruise ship. But I heard from my friends also that they have been cheated from such agents. So I have been gone through all these things, and then I discovered this unique way from where you don't have to pay anyone, or you don't have to go through any agency. You can apply directly on the company website, and if there is a vacancy, you will get an opportunity. And that's how I got an opportunity. So I don't want to face you all these things through which I have gone. So let's start, and don't miss it, because each and every step is gonna help you. If you do any mistake, bam, your application will be rejected. So do watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell notification, because I'm going to put such videos regularly, and if you have any query, you can ask me. So guys, let's start. I'm gonna take you to my screen, so I'll show you how to apply online. So we will go on Google, write it down, RCLC track, and the very first option we will select. After this window will pop up. We will cancel that, and this window will come. We will press on register, and this page will open. Create your account. So you have to update things here, and let's start. Let's fill this. So first name, last name, nationality, I will put mine. Where it is, India. There you go. I'll put India. Then gender, select your gender. Then comes, are you at least 18? Yes. Have you ever been worked on board before? No. If you have been, yes. Have you been a part of the team? No. Do you have a friends, relative working? No. Then you have to select your department. Like I'm filling this one for security, so I'll look for that department. Where is security? Deck, engine, environment, human. There it is, security. So we will select the security, and then comes the question is that from where you came to know. So there are various options you can see here. So simply select online, one of the option, and let's proceed ahead. The next question is, do you follow us on Facebook, any social media? So I follow them on RCL Career, so put that option, and then from here you have to write down your email ID again. I'll put mine. It's the same one, and then put your password. So I put my password, and then click tick here and submit. Press submit button. This window will pop up. If you want to save the password, save, and this warning will come. You have to click continue to apply. Click on that. We'll click on that, and let's wait. This will come, just no thanks, and this window will come. So from here you can look here on the top right corner, my profile. Click on that, and then wait, and this reminder will come. So this is basically if you're working on board, and if something is happening wrong with you, you can directly contact with the agency. It's that's not our concern. Now this pop-up will come. Here everything you can see, your name and email ID, and rest you have to fill. So from here I'll click here, and again this, if you are working on Firefox, then this will not come. So again we will come here, and in this we are filling for security, so we will select security. And guys, remember you have to apply for security guard, because mostly they hire security guard on Royal Caribbean, I'm asking. So just click on that, and then this page will come. So here you have to fill all your information, name, last name, address. So I'll go through it quickly because I have to cover the most important thing in the end. So let's go. And here the important one is address, blah 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 blah. Okay, the gateway city comes. So guys, gateway city, you have to click here, and you have to select the nearest international airport. This one is very important because you will get your traveling ticket from that particular airport. So I'm from Mumbai, so I will fill Mumbai International Airport. And then next comes is here Skype. Remember, Skype is one of the most important thing because all of your interview will be on Skype, so you must have a Skype ID. So put that Skype ID over here. Then again put your contact number because you will get a call from the HR department first and then the interview. Rest all again we will scroll down to education department, put down your details, and remember one thing, put all your details correctly because later on you have to submit your original document. Next comes work experience, employer employee, company name, industry, city. Again telling you, remember, put only those experience for which you have the document, unless and until don't put it if you don't have, because later on you have to again submit it, and if you will not, then your application will be rejected. So remember this point. And then come the done reference part. So if you know anyone, then you can put the first name, last name, the name of the company. Like if you see RCCL, under RCCL there are many company, Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity, Asmira, TUI and all. So fill up that detail here. Language, put according to your knowledge, according, like if you're beginner, intermediate or expert. Your other skills also, if you click, again the same question will come, beginner, expert and all. Put those things. Then this is the general question they ask: are you willing to work on board for 6 to 8 months away from home? Yes. Have you ever been prosecuted any crime? No. Then all these details please fill according to your own details. And then job specific question, again it's nothing much. The next one is submit application. You just have to go through here, write down your email, again the same, and put down that captcha that you are not robot, and we will click on download button, which will lead you again back on this page. And now you will see there is a job name, department, status and all. Okay guys, and after that something like this your profile will look. And now I'll make part 2, and please follow my part 2 because that is also very important. You'll come to know this is just 50%, rest 50% what we have to do to get the job. I will discuss in that. Thank you very much.